Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for joining me here on First Class Cook. Hey, today I'm coming with you with another banger, and this banger, they shake your taste buds. Okay, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, this is a shrimp and pasta recipe. Come on and let's get started. All right, so the ingredients are dry pepper, onions, scallions. You need garlic. You need star anise seed. You need ginger, salt, of course, for taste, and a cup of water, guys. This I added parsley, which is very optional. And now we're going to blend it, guys. Hey, let's blend. Hey, it is shake, it is shake, it is shake, it is shake. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and anoint our pan with some oil, okay? And then we'll pour our shrimp in our pan. Guys, this shrimp, we're gonna keep the head on. We're gonna keep the shell on, okay? We're doing this straight up gangster style, okay? And it's delicious, all right? You're gonna love me for this. I added some salt, and remember the blended ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and pour it onto our shrimp. Cover it up for about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so this is after 7 to 8 minutes, guys, and you can see that it is boiling, it is sizzling, it is romanticism. Okay, anyway, so I've added some pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cabbage along with some carrots, guys. We want to add some vegetables, keep this on a healthy side. All right, and I've also chopped up some scallions that I'm gonna add onto this, guys. Yes, guys, give this all a stir. Okay, we're gonna make sure that every ingredient goes into every bit of this pasta and this shrimp with the vegetables. Okay, allow this to cook for another 8 minutes. All right, guys, and this is a banger. Oh my god. I like the way I'm feeling now. Okay, guys, just try this recipe and you will love it. Thank you for joining me here on First Class Cook.